Hey guys, good morning. Eagle Trading checking in, 10:08 a.m., 38 minutes into the market open. Let's see, March 26, 2020. We covered our short in pre-market right after the news. We kind of thought it might be a sell the rumor, buy the news. I actually expected the jobs number to be worse than it was. But we got out at 243.65. It was a small probing short. We literally only had 50 shares short. It was a $400 plus trade. MFA we've been talking about in the charting. That's up 100 and let's see what that's up today. We have a little bit left. We have 100 shares out of a 2,000 share position left. Remember, this is I was completely in cash on February 10th, so we started a new trading account with 27,000 so we could just see what we can do on margin. Let's see where we're at today. MFA is up 104%. Our JNUG is up 62 cents or 10% move. Not too bad for a day's work on that. Let's see what else we got. HAPP kind of hanging in there. Still got a big position in that. Hopefully that'll keep working. And let's look at SPY. So we're not going to try to impose our will on the market. We know things are nasty out there. Over the long term, the market will figure it out. The market is a forward-thinking mechanism. It's a discounting mechanism. So if everybody's saying, well, the jobs report was horrible, how can the market be up? Well, the market kind of anticipated it. And it's trying to digest this. It's anticipating all this news that we see in the virus, and it's trying to digest it. So we don't try to impose our will on the market. We kind of let the market tell us what it wants to do. This is starting to still look like the bear trap. Didn't like the close yesterday, but today is what's important too. You know, we take it day by day. We're day traders, so let's see what we're doing. Let's look at the intraday chart here, and I tried a few probing shorts, and we'll try another one soon. Let me check it out here and see what we got, just in case the market does do a reversal. If not, we're going to retrace the larger scale Fibonacci, which is going to get us up to that 260 and change area. Probably have to look and see. So we know where the line in the sand is on the bearish side, the 256.50-ish area, and then the line is drawn in the sand on the bull side, that we don't want to go below 241, I'd say. So within that time frame, we're starting to break above some other levels. It was nice to see us get above the 247, and then the 249 was our other resistance area that it's been for the last few days. We're above that. We're above another channel line that we're pushing through. We're getting a little bit overbought on the hourly here. And then we're probably going to make an attack, obviously, at the 256. Let's see what kind of energy we have coming off of there. We might pull back and push through there, given the way the market's acting right now, extremely strong. And then we could see us attack either the 20 SMA that I use. Wow, we could even attack the 45 with at this angle. Let's see, we drew a line down there. It might kind of bring us up, depending on the time frame, up into that area that we talked about. And we'll look at it on a Fibonacci scale from the move down to up on the next video and see where we think we're headed on this next leg up. But we're definitely look like we're attacking the trend line that we've talked about. It'd be nice to see, like we talked about in yesterday's video, can it hold over for 3 or 4 days? Kind of want to see some stocks like Microsoft and Amazon break above their 20-day SMA moving averages. So here's Microsoft right now. It's trying to push above there. It'd be great to see a close above that area, which would be around a 152.33, and start to pull away from the 20 SMA. That would give me a little bit more confidence that that we're going to retrace some of that Fibonacci, those Fibonacci levels on the SPY. So here's our MFA that we talked about. We've been trading the heck out of this thing. Got down as low as 30 cents. Today as high as what, 250 or 260. We've been scaling out of this into the strength, and we just think it's just too much of a move from the lower area of 30 cents. Then let's look at our HAPP that we still have a position in. Let's see what we're looking at here. Remember, this is an IPO, so the chart's going to be a little screwed up. And then I'll kind of tell you what I'm planning on a little later in the day, so I can kind of figure out where we're at with this market here. Let's see how this chart pulls up on HAPP. I kind of think this is a story for later in the week. I know they're expecting some type of approval. So we're kind of holding a little baseline area. It's getting a little whippy. The volume is probably drying up, so you're getting a little bit more crazier spreads in there. I'd love to see it get above the pivot today at like 348 and the volume start to increase. So 348 is our number to get above with some increased volume. Right now it's just kind of floundering around. And we'll see how that goes. JNUG, like we said, it needs time, so it's probably going to bounce around between this range of 7 and change. Gold is very strong this morning, which is nice to see. But let me kind of watch the market a little bit, and I'll show you what I'm doing trading-wise in the next video. But don't step in front of this just yet.